Types of home security alarm system available in Toronto. Whenever you move to a new locality or a home, the very first concern that will pop in your mind is the safety of the neighborhood. We simply can't wait for some burglary to happen and then take appropriate safety measures. It is available It is always wise to install home security systems before you start staying in that house. Security systems do make robber things twice before targeting a building. Luckily, there are few home security systems available in Toronto that are reputed for their services and facilities, and mentioned here are the name of the security companies. First, Alarvik. Bearing over 25 years of experience in this industry, Alarvik is popular in Toronto for offering top-notch home security system at affordable price. The company believes in practical and cost-effective security solutions that can easily meet contemporary requirements. They are as well supported with qualified and skilled technicians who take complete care of the security system installation. Second, ADT. ADT has a name in Canada for creating the first automated burglar alarm system back in the 1940s. Although originally it is an USA based company, at present it offers its services globally, including Toronto. It provides an array of technology measures and services that are exclusive mean for covering every possible risk that one may face. The company offers 3 years contract period. 3. Front point. With the help of latest technology, the company constantly keeps innovating and improving home safety measures to tackle each security problem smartly. It is originally an US company branching out to other nations like Canada. The focus of the brand is to offer self setup equipment so that customers need not spend extra bucks in the name of security system installation. The overall cost of its systems completely depends on the products that consumers are interested on. 4. Bring home security. Serving more than 1 million customers today, the company was founded in 1994. During the span of over 2 decades, the brand has not only grown and expanded but as well is a reputed name when it comes to offering full smart automation system combining old school security knowledge and advanced technology. Even though it provides already built bundle for various security purpose, customers can still add or subtract certain features as per requirement. 5. Protection Plus. With headquarters located in Toronto, Ontario, the company provides the best and the most up to the minute home security system, electronic protection product and services. It has more than 25 years of experience, I earning thousands of certified customers across the GTA and Southern Ontario. Airwag System Inc. Phone number 416-520-4080. Website www.airwag.com. Address 3868 Chestwood, Doctor, North York, Ontario M3J 2W6 Canada. Thank you for watching this video.